right, today we're bringing you the deer from 99 Nights in the Forest. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the head. We're going to middle of the page, up towards the top, just leaving enough room for the antlers. We have an upside down U shape to form the head. Okay, in the middle we're going to draw a nose. So this is a triangle with rounded corners. Rounded, I don't know why I said rounded like that. That's going to be the snout, and then we're going to put a dot for the nose. Next we'll do the mouth, which is a big U shape. Connect, and then we'll mimic that shape. All right, now we'll do some eyes. We have two large oval eyes, one here and one here. And those both get large pupils, relatively so. Not alphabet lower large, but pretty large. All right, next we're going to do, let's connect the cheeks next. So what we want to do is swoop and swoop until it hits the mouth, and then same here, swoop and swoop. Next, we will do the ears. So about midway down this pupil, curve out, and then come down towards the bottom of the eye and curve up to meet that. Now while we don't have to be perfect, we would like to try to get close. Okay, so we want the top of the other ear to end up about there. I like to turn my page because it's a little bit easier for me. So I'm gonna curve up, meet there, and then start up here, curve up and meet there, and then we mimic that shape to create our second ear. Now they're not perfect, but they're close enough. And at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we just go for fun. That's right, we're having some fun here today. I'm gonna draw some antlers next. So we go up, and we're gonna draw the deer's left antler, but it's on our right-hand side. We're gonna do that one first. So we go up, out, create a spike here, and then back into the main portion of the antler. And here we go up just a little ways, out. We do something similar to that, but on the opposite direction. Create that spike and come back in. Now we continue up with our antler. We continue up, and then we create a larger portion that does largely the same as this on both sides. And they don't have to be perfect, just have some fun with it. Now we do mimic this one over here. So we've got a shape that looks like this, out and then up. Make a spike out of it, come back down. And on the other side we go up, out, spike, back down, back to the middle, to the middle portion of the antler. And we go up, and we create a larger section of the antler that looks like this. Again, just have some fun with it. It does not need to be perfect. That's pretty fun. Now we've got the head done. Now it's time to move on to the body. So, first move we're going to make is drawing a line that comes out to about the edge of his face and comes in. And do the same thing on the other side. Out and in. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. And we're going to angle it down just a little bit more. 1, 2. I don't know why I said 1, 2, but we're angling it down. And then we're going to draw the chest area, which is going to look like this and this. Now, as we continue with these arms, I'm going to draw this guide point. It'll help me with the other side of my arm. So that is going to look like that. Actually, this overlaps a bit. And then this side is going to look like that. All right, here we go. We're going to keep going with what amounts to be the fur. So it's just some zigzags. You're going to do enough to get you down that far. So that's the 2 originals you did plus 1, 2, 3 more. All right, and this one's going to come in a little far out here. So go down, back in, down, further, back in, and then down. Okay, close enough in size. Now we can draw the arm. Okay, we're gonna draw the elbow first. The elbow is gonna come out, down like this, and then the forearm is gonna do something similar. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Elbow out, forearm kind of fall in shape. And we know that the deer has very long limbs, especially front limbs. Next, we're gonna do the thumb. I didn't know deers had thumbs until I saw this game. Scary looking. Okay, now the top of the hand, we're gonna go out, down, and then we're gonna make a point down here. Yeah. Now we're gonna draw some other fingers. We're gonna do that by going in behind, making a different angle, and showing the tip of that finger. And we'll do that one more time. Running out of space here, so just keep it like that. So its fingers are all doing different things, scary things. All right, on this side, we're gonna do something similar, not exactly the same. Okay, so when we have on this side, it doesn't look like we have any more, which is kind of part of the plan. Okay, we're just gonna go down like that. Very large fingers. Up. And it's going to kind of do something like that. And in the meantime, we're going to see a couple fingers doing different things back here. One there. And squeeze another one in right there, which you can't see the end of it. All right, we're getting there. Next, we're going to draw the legs. So, again, we have some fur coming down. So we just represent it like that. We're going to draw an A shape here to represent the inner part of the legs. And we're going to go with some more fur, a little bit more fur, a little bit more fur, and then we're going to draw the knees. The knees are going to come right around like this, and right around like this. And then we're going to draw the back part, which is going to come around just like this, and just like this. Beautiful. It's going to come down a little bit, go out, and now this portion is going to overlaps a bit, fold, come down like this, a little tuft of hair, and it's going to sweep out. This is going to do the same. It's going to come down, a little tuft of hair, and it's going to sweep out. Then across the bottom we have multiple tufts of hair on both sides. Okay, then we have the hooves, and the hooves are going to look like this. Like trapezoids. Awesome. So there you have a very cool 99 Nights in the Forest deer doing a jump scare. Now we color. There you have it. The deer from 99 Nights in the Forest. Ah! This thing scares everybody. Chases the kids, but you can scare it away with light. So get your flashlights out, get your campfires blazing, keep this guy away. This was a lot of fun to draw, so hopefully you drew along. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye! you're gonna go. Good bell. Be gentle.